I'm senior pathologist and blood bank in charge at North District Hospital, Mapsa, Goa. Today is World Blood Donors Day and it is celebrated all over the world globally to create awareness and appreciate the world, all the donors who are donating blood. Now, why this voluntary donor is very important is because they are risk-free and they are the ones who are going to be our we need something called as reserve blood, which we have to always keep in the blood bank so that blood is given to all the patients in need. Now, why we stress on voluntary donors? Because they are they're coming with an altruistic feeling. They are aware that they are doing something good for the society, as well as they are aware that there is a benefit to them also, because it will keep them also fit and not only physically but also mentally fit, that they are doing something good for the people and they are serving the society. They cannot go and fight in the war, but at least here they are like the soldiers to us and they are helping the society to get the required blood, which is like a gold to us. Thank you, and I will request all of you to become a voluntary donors.
It started in 2004 and it's been 20 years. And in these 20 years, we have made a lot of progress in the field of blood donation. Now people are coming forward to donate their blood. So this shows the awareness which is being put in the community. It also shows that we are having 5 blood banks which are registered with us, 3 in public and 2 in private. We are doing a lot of blood donation camps and we are having blood donation vans also with us. Our laboratories are well equipped for storage of blood. Also the separations of the blood components are also there. The blood donation is needed in road traffic accidents and trauma. We also need this in the this thing of pregnant obstetrics, like postpartum hemorrhage. We need this in cancer, where anemia is also there. We also need these things in hemophilia and also other blood diseases also. With this I say thank you. I urge people to donate their blood.
It gives me great pleasure to announce that it is 20 years of celebrating World Blood Donors Day, which is celebrated every year on 14th June in memory of Karl Landsteiner, who discovered the blood groups and also founder of modern blood donation. So we are very happy. The theme for this year is celebrating 20 years of giving. Thank you, blood donors. So we would encourage and we request everybody to please continue. We have increased from the past 20 years. We've gone up to 74% of voluntary blood donation, which is non-paid. I hope we can continue this, and we encourage more young people to come forward and donate blood. Thank you.
सगळ्यांनी करपाचें.
म्हणजे तुका भंय बीन दिसोंक ना? आतां ब्लड जनरेट अरावंड 24 आवर्सान कितें सांगलें म्हणून कितें खावंक शकता, म्हणजे सामोसा अशें कितें?
बरें जेव म्हटलां मातशें रेस्ट करप, उदक चड पी.
उदक पी म्हटलां.
उदक चड पी.
ओके. आनी मागीर जे आतां 500 ml काडला न्ही?
ना 350.
350 ml काडला. आतां ते जनरेट विदीन 24 आवर्सान जातले काय 48 आवर्स अशें कितें?
24 आवर्सान म्हणटा येता.
ओके. या, थँक्यू.
नाव कितें म्हटलें तुजें? म्हाजें नांव शंकर शेट्टी. ओके.
पीछे से आ रहे हैं.